Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set a restore point and restore your system using it on Windows 11. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, click on the search icon in the taskbar and type Create a Restore Point. Click on the matching result. In the System Properties window, make sure you're on the System Protection tab. Select the drive where Windows is installed, usually labeled C, and check if protection is turned on. If it's off, click Configure, select Turn on System Protection, and click OK. To create a restore point, click the Create button near the bottom. A dialog box will appear asking you to name the restore point. Enter something descriptive like before update or before software install, and click Create. Windows will take a few moments to create the restore point. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Close to finish, restoring your system to a restore point. If something goes wrong and you need to restore your system, go back to the search icon, type Create a Restore Point, and click the result. In the System Properties window, click the System Restore button. The System Restore wizard will open, showing two options. Recommended Restore. This is the most recent restore point created by the system or manually. Choose a different restore point. This allows you to pick an older restore point. If the recommended restore is what you need, select it and click Next. If you prefer to choose a different restore point, select that option and click Next. You'll see a list of available restore points. Pick the one you want and click Next. To see which programs or drivers will be affected, click Scan for affected programs before continuing. Once ready, click Finish. A confirmation message will appear, warning you not to interrupt the process. Click Yes to start the restore. Windows will restart and restore your system to the selected point. The process may take some time, so be patient. After the restart, you'll see a message confirming the restore is complete. That's it. You've successfully learned how to set and restore a restore point on Windows 11.